35 years ago, I would say a very shy, starry-eyed teenager walked the corridors of this great institution for the very first time. To be very honest, she didn't quite want to be in Coimbatore at all, right? She actually wanted to be in Chennai, but she didn't quite get the branch she wanted there. She wanted to go to BITS Pilani, but parents said that was really too far away. But sometimes in life, right, the option that you think is really not so good for you, not just turns out to be good, but it turns out to be something that you exactly need. And that was exactly what happened to me. Of course, it took me many, many years to realize actually that. But it is in this great institution, I actually laid the foundations of my dreams. I would say dreams that were not even fully formed yet. It is here that I found my love for wireless technologies, software engineering. Alamelu ma'am, I'm so happy to see here. Electronic circuits, neenga dhaan eduthinga, ungalku nyabam irukanu theriyala. And I was happy to, meet Dr. Kandaswamy today. He actually did, audio engineering. He wrote my letter of recommendation, when I applied abroad. So really very, very thankful for the faculty here, the professors I had here. And they really, inspired me and they taught me to really advocate for myself, to really dream big. And I would say even in the wildest of those dreams, I didn't quite expect to be standing here in front of all of you on this side of the stage, sharing the stage with such dignitaries. So for that, I really want to thank the PSG management for giving me this recognition, the faculty, and the board of trustees. And I have to thank, Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am, HOD ECE department, right? She really did an excellent job of kind of staying in touch, kind of keeping up with the work that I do and constantly kind of pulling me into, all the activities here. And I'm really so thankful for her. I also want to acknowledge, my parents who are actually here today. Really the amount of effort, energy and the prayers that they have really poured into me really cannot be overstated at all. And I'm so thankful they are here. And, this whole thing, the fact that they are here makes this whole occasion that much more special to me. So thank you, Appa and Amma.